Safety on bonding and grounding. As all ITG field and operations personnel have been trained to follow and comply with the specific MSO installation guidelines, we will review an important subject in this course regarding providing fulfillment services to customers for all MSOs, bonding and grounding. It is relevant to be in compliance for all projects in general, and we will discuss some important terms and definitions in our industry. Grounding is the connection of the electrical system to the ground or earth itself, which limits an imposed voltage. Bonding and grounding are important for ensuring safety in electrical systems. Bonding refers to the permanent joining of metallic parts to establish electrical continuity and conductivity to the ground from the cable network and the premises. The National Electrical Code, NEC, provides guidelines for grounding requirements and methods. Proper bonding and grounding prevent harmful electrical charges and ensure a safe environment. Failure to ground a cable installation can lead to electrical shock, fire hazards, equipment damage, and interference with electronic equipment. Personal protective equipment, PPE, such as safety glasses, gloves, boots, and voltage detectors, should be used during grounding and bonding work. If voltage is found, follow your FVD training. Safety precautions, including awareness of weather conditions, should be taken before starting any work. Grounding and bonding help protect against the damaging effects of lightning strikes and abrupt electrical current changes on cable drops. Always follow safety guidelines, consult MSO guidelines, and contact supervisors or managers if unsure about installation procedures. It is important to follow all safety guidelines and procedures learned during your training process. Use appropriate PPE and select correct materials based on the type of installation you will be performing and the uniqueness of each premises design. Always adhere to safety practices when grounding or bonding a cable installation to prevent accidents and injuries. If you are unsure of how to proceed with an installation, contact your supervisor or manager immediately. What are the general prohibited actions in bonding and grounding? Never bond to a gas or water pipe. Ground cable cannot be longer than the shortest cable outlet or exceed 15 feet. The shortest the ground wire is, the more confident you will be that the install is safe. Never coil or bend the ground wire at a 90-degree angle. Never assume that any piece of metal is suitable for bonding, grounding. Not all are appropriate. Never zip tie the ground wire to other lines or pipes. Never connect equipment to the cable system before bonding and grounding is complete. Never lose or remove existing attachments to the main grounding electrode. Never connect attachments below the surface of the earth. A properly grounded cable installation can help dissipate surges and reduce the risk of equipment damage and injury to people. However, it is important to note that no grounding system can completely eliminate the risk. Lightning strikes are unpredictable and extremely powerful, capable of producing currents of millions of volts and temperatures of tens of thousands of degrees Celsius. To minimize the risk, it is imperative to follow best practices for grounding and bonding and always prioritize your safety. Finally, remain vigilant and be safe.